Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get into this pink glam. It's like, if you don't like pink, what else do you like? But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wipe down our client's face. When you're wiping their face, please make sure you wipe through their eyebrows, because I feel like that makes for a perfect like brow fill-in. And then also make sure you're wiping like around their edges to get rid of like any extra glue they may have on their skin, or gel, pretty much any hair product. So if you've been watching my client tutorials for a while, you kind of know like my steps to achieving a flawless face. But as you guys saw, I just powdered her brows. That just ensures that her brows stay matte the entire day. I'm not gonna go into like really deep details with this video. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I feel like my videos are kind of getting repetitive as far as my client tutorials go. Yeah, y'all can see I'm just filling in her brows. I use the same pencil that I use all the time that you can get from your local beauty supply store. Like I said, you already know the routine. We're gonna clean up the eyebrows. My personal favorite concealer, two concealers actually, is the Too Faced Born This Way and e.l.f. Camo Concealer. So those are like my top two faves. One is high end, one is drugstore. Both work wonders. So we're moving on to the eyes, and I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as a primer. Took me a while to build up this brown shade. It doesn't look like it because the video is of course edited, but it took me a minute. I could have used a darker one, but I didn't want to overdo it with her skin being so light. So we're just building this up and blending it out. I don't know why I'm missing footage, but I did the exact same thing to the other eye, and as y'all saw, I kind of blended it up into like the front of her eyebrow, because it's gonna help when it comes to contouring. I know in one of my other videos I was like, yo, why do people bring that contour up to their eyebrows? And when I started doing it, I was like, oh, okay, that's why. So we're cutting her crease. Once again, using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This time we're using the shade White. We're just doing a half cut crease today. And then we're just doing some blending. I always gotta blend. I added this pink from the Nikki Tutorials palette, and I don't know if nude is the right word, but I just feel like it was too nude for her skin tone. Like, it didn't really pop on her skin is what I'm trying to say. So y'all will see later I went and added like a brighter pink on it, but in the inner corner of her eyes I just added like a white eyeshadow, and then I also added some shimmer. I have been doing so much better with getting content. But yeah, here's me adding the bright pink. I'm not sure what palette I grabbed this pink from, but you can definitely see the difference. It's me missing more content for me, because how did I not record this part? I don't know how I ended up missing this part, because it's not even on my camera, so I guess I just went recording and didn't notice it. But I did use water activated liners to achieve this neon pink liner. The rhinestones I'm adding are just some regular silver rhinestones from Amazon, but I'm going to insert some clips of this look at the end of the video because I just feel like my camera did not do this look justice. I'm going to just let y'all watch me do her face, but of course we're just moisturizing, priming, adding foundation. The foundation I use is from Maybelline Super Stay, I believe in the shade Sand Beige. You already know we got a highlight and contour. As I've mentioned in several other videos, I do like using matte concealers under the eyes because it pretty much will take away any type of creasing problem you have ever had. I just want to pop back up and say, if y'all hadn't got the powder puff yet, then I don't know what you're waiting for, because when I tell y'all, I say this in every single video now, but I act like I done uploaded 10 videos. But they give you the soft under eye, the really soft, baby, silky, smooth finish. I don't know why I always say we, but we're adding more color back into the face. We're bronzing, adding blush, and contouring her nose. Then we're just finishing up the eyes. I added some eyeliner in her waterlines, and then we smoked out some of that brown we used right underneath her lashes. Then I went ahead and did her lips. I don't know why in the world I'm missing so much footage. Like, there's no way I just missed all of that. But I feel like y'all still got a good bit of what I did. I popped like some shimmery white into her inner corners. I did highlight her face too with a shimmery white highlighter. I don't know where that footage is either, y'all. I'm so sorry. Now I'm just doing her bottom lashes. As y'all saw, I did the mascara, and then we're going to set her in place, and then that completes this look. Don't stop right here though. Make sure y'all watch until the end. Y'all ain't got but like a few seconds left, so y'all can see like the results, like how it looked on my phone.
Okay, that's really cute. I think you did it better. Yeah, that's cute though.
Don't y'all agree? Like, you can literally see everything with this camera. But thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss when I upload again. And I will see you in my next one.